Hi, this is Crystal Starr with iChakra's Zen Center. Today we're talking about crystals. The next crystal we're talking about is Lapis Lazuli. Lapis Lazuli is such a beautiful stone, and it is wonderful for your throat chakra. So when my clients are having issues with communication, speaking their inner truth, getting those words to flow out like magic, that's when I recommend Lapis Lazuli. There can be so many different levels of problems when it comes to communication. So that also includes your throat chakra being a bit too powerful. Like, let's say your words are coming out very blunt and honest to the point of hurting people's feelings. That you're also going to use Lapis Lazuli, because the good thing about it is that it just brings it into the right frequency. It doesn't make it faster or slower. It just makes it perfect. So you could use this no matter what the problem is. If you want to look up Lapis Lazuli in Enchanted Crystals, then you're going to turn to page 135. Open and cleanses the chakras. Can help solve problems. Egyptian cultures used to bury Lapis Lazuli with the dead to offer protection to their loved ones. The color is that deep blue, and you'll notice those little flecks of gold, which doesn't show up that great in the camera right now. But those little flecks of gold, they're actually inclusions of pyrite that grow with the Lapis Lazuli, which I find really interesting. So you could find this in a lot of different places. You could even find it in the United States, actually, but mostly it's the mountains of Afghanistan. So the elements of this one is air and water, and of course, like I said, the chakra is going to be the throat. Place this on the hollow of your neck while you're lying down. You could place it in the center of either palm while you're meditating, doing affirmations, visualizing, or even just relaxing. Between use, you want to keep this on your nightstand because you're going to absorb the most information in the fastest way while you're sleeping. That's a scientific fact. So keep it on your nightstand. Make sure there's lots of sun and good positive energy in your room. If you have any questions about communication, about how to unleash your inner truth, about how to communicate in that magical way, leave your comments below and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible.